We finally treated ourselves with this lovely egg chair this summer, and we really needed good quality cover to make sure it will stay nice and clean and it's not going to get ruined in the winter. So we decided to go for this Enzeno Patio hanging egg chair cover. It came in this package or vacuum packed, and when we open it up, it's quite a big cover. It fits a standard egg chair, so this is 190 by 115 centimeters and it's in black. You need to make sure that you do check your egg chair, make sure that it would fit. The quality is really good. As I open it up, what I noticed though that the material kind of stuck together because it was vacuum packed, so you have to all peel it apart, but the stitching is really good. It's superb quality. But obviously, if you don't know that you have to peel it apart because obviously it was squashed in the packaging, you see it's absolutely massive. The inside is really well made. Also, there is some instruction, a little bit of information in the inside of this cover, which is again very handy. And it comes with these two toggles and also comes with a zip. The zip is a partial zip, so it's not going to go all the way up to the top, but superb quality, really well made. You can really tell that it's not one of those flimsy ones. So I popped it on, super easy. I did it myself. I put it on. I didn't actually use the zip. I just slid the whole thing from the top to the bottom, moved it around, and I toggled it. The toggle is quite stiff, so it took me a bit of time to make sure that it's all toggled on both sides. I had to put it and keep tightening and tightening it. So it took me a bit of time, but I have a feeling it will stay like this, so it's going to be easier to put it on. I'm doing the same on both sides as well, just so the wind doesn't go underneath this, so it will give it a nice seal. So this is it from the side. As you can see, even though this is universal cover, there is still plenty of space. It didn't fit, it was outside. This is the cover from the front. Again, you can tell it's covering everything, protecting everything really nicely. And this is the other side as well, so you can see it's not stretching. So this is a really good size if you've got a general universal size egg chair. And this is the zip. I really thought it would come up all the way to the top, but no, it comes up to probably 1/3. But it probably would make it easier to take it on and off in the future. I'm really pleased with it. It's a really good quality cover. What I also did, you don't need to do this, I actually tied these strings to the base of the egg chair, so it gives a little bit more security. So I'm really pleased with it. If you're looking for a good quality cover for your super beautiful egg chair, give this a go. It's a thumbs up from me.